Welcome to AutoRepair Cloud page. To add a new labor to a previously created repair, go to this section and select the repair you need. You can select a repair from the list manually or use search function. You can search for a previously created repair using the following identifiers: creation date, name, phone number, vehicle, invoice number, license plate, worker or repair status. By clicking this button, you can also look through workflows and quotes. Click on the needed repair after you found it. Press Labor Estimate, select necessary labor and press Add. You can also use the search function. If necessary, you can either edit or delete the repair item. To do this, press the Edit button, enter necessary data, and press Save. Thank you for watching our client web portal review. If you think this video is useful, please click the like button and subscribe to see our videos and stay updated.